Using a food processor, add the cream cheese first. Then, add the whipping cream. Add the almond butter. Lastly, add the stevia. Process until the texture is smooth. Serve in a small cup or bowl and add the chopped almonds.